Now you have access to thousands of free Adobe Stock photos, right from Photoshop Elements. Check it out. Just go to File, then select Search on Adobe Stock to browse the entire free library. Discover pics to create surreal scenes. Or find a whole new way to add a little style to your photos. Want to replace your background with a free Adobe Stock photo? Just go directly to the Replace Background guided edit to find new pics for your scene. You can also access Adobe Stock directly from Quote Graphics to create social posts that make an impact. Or, in Advanced mode, click on Graphics, then Backgrounds to find all new photos to level up your creations. With thousands of free Adobe Stock photos at your fingertips, inspiration has never been easier.